G'day Earthlings, Paul here from Queensland. Got myself a ride-on Cox Stockman lawnmower. It's probably like over 20 years old. And the Briggs & Stratton motor, she was blowing lots of smoke and she was had it, needed to be replaced. So I was either replace that or buy a lawnmower. New lawnmower was $5,000, new motor a lot cheaper. So I got hold of Small Engine Warehouse in Australia and ordered myself a Honda motor. Thought I'll try that out. That's the old Briggs & Stratton, and this is the Honda GXV390, and it bolts up there perfectly. Original mountain bolts here from the Briggs & Stratton, but then around this other side down here, these bolts, you actually can't see them in here, they're threaded, so you need 5/16 fine thread, 24 pitch, 2 bolts for there, and then it bolts straight in. The pulley, the keyway and the bolt off the Briggs & Stratton, that all goes straight onto the Honda, and then what you have to do is the wiring. And the wiring was pretty easy. You just got the main wire from the battery going to the solenoid. We've earthed it here, and then this is from the key, so when you turn the key it excites this little solenoid and she fires up. And the alternator, got a little green wire there, little regulator, green wire in, red out, and that just goes straight to the battery to charge it up. So let's start it up. You got to turn that, give that some revs, hit the key. Also put a light bar for night shift. The motor is way quieter than the old Briggs & Stratton, and you know, get another 20 years out of this thing, that'll be pretty cool. To stop it, of course the key doesn't work. You turn the key off and you push the little lever down, and what you'll find is in here is the control cable, and it just goes down in here. And there's actually a little switch, so when you push that right down, it hits the kill switch. And of course, it comes with a fuel tank.